All right, that map you just looked at should have highlighted some of the differences between the southern and northern or New England colonies that you've been learning about in terms of their economics, their business, what they did to make money. So in the south, we're looking at those big plantations, but in the north, we're talking about fishing, shipbuilding, lumber production. All of these things in trade are going to be a huge deal in the north, in part thanks to the coastlines and their great port potential. If you look at the chart on the notes right now, one interesting fact though is that even though we think of the fishing and the shipbuilding and all this stuff I just mentioned, most people, if you look at the green circle there, are still involved in agriculture. 80% of the population is involved in subsistence farming. If you've never had that term before or heard that term before, what it means is that the people are farming not to sell for cash crops, but just to survive. It's about having enough food to get by tomorrow. So that's subsistence farming. So most people are just worried about eating tomorrow. But the people that don't, the people that have enough food or are producing in abundance, can specialize in those other jobs like the fishing and the shipbuilding and all that. And that percentage of the people who have to subsistence farm, thanks to technology and progress, is going to keep going down until now fewer than 1% of Americans have to work in farming, but we can produce so much food. It's one of the things that we're just amazing at, is growing more food than we need. We're very blessed to have great land. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking and let you get back to work. Open up text 6, War Erupts Between the Puritans and the Native Americans. And we're going to see how things ended up going badly. When you get into that text, just like we've been practicing this week with the small groups, take turns reading, and there are 2 or 3 multiple choice questions for you to answer on the form, and then you'll be done for the day. And I'll have one more slide of notes. Thanks.